10th Science, Chapter 12, Electricity, Numerical Problems on Electricity. Dear children, let us recall all the formulas covered in the electricity chapter. Current I is equal to Q divided by T, where Q is the electric charge, T is the time. Second formula, potential difference. V is equal to W divided by Q, where W is work done and Q is electric charge. Third formula, potential difference. V is equal to Ri, Ohm's law. V is equal to Ri, where R is the resistance of the resistor, I is the current. Resistance R is equal to rho into L divided by A, where rho is the resistivity of the conductor. Rho is the resistivity of the conductor. L is the length of the conductor. L is the length of the conductor. A is the area of cross section of the conductor. Equivalent resistance of resistors connected in series. Rs is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. Equivalent resistance of resistors connected in parallel. 1 by Rp is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. Heat produced in the resistor is H is equal to I square into R into T. H equal to I square into R into T, where I is the current for a given resistance. I is the current for the given resistance. R is the resistance for the given current. R is the resistance for the given current. T, time for which the current flows through the resistors. Time for which the current flows through the resistor. Power, we have three formulas for power. First one, P is equal to V into I. P is equal to V into I, where V is the potential difference, I is the current. Second one, P is equal to V square divided by R, where V is the potential difference and R is the resistance of the resistor. Third one, P is equal to I square into R. P is equal to I square into R, where I is the current and R is the resistance. Children, let us solve some numerical problems on electricity. Consider the first problem. An electric iron consumes energy at a rate of 840 watt when heating is at the maximum rate and 360 watt when the heating is at the minimum. The voltage is 220 volt. What are the current and the resistance in each case? Given 840 watt. P1 is equal to 840 watt. 840 watt when heating is at the maximum rate. When heating is at the maximum rate. And 360 watt when the heating is at the minimum. When the heating is at the minimum. The voltage is 220 volt. V is equal to 220 volt. We have to find current and the resistance in each case. That is, we have to find the value of I1, I2, R1 and R2. I1 means current at the maximum rate. I2 means current at the minimum rate. R1 resistance at the maximum rate. R2 resistance at the minimum rate. We have power is equal to V into I. P is equal to V into I. V means voltage, I is equal to current. Thus, the current I is equal to P divided by V. Shift this voltage to the left hand side. I is equal to P divided by V. Substitute the value. Consider the first case. When heating is at the maximum rate, I1. I1 means current at the maximum rate. I1 is equal to P1 divided by V. P1 is 840 divided by V. V is equal to 220. 0, 0 get cancelled. Answer is 3.82 ampere. 3.82 ampere. Next, we have to find the resistance. R1 is equal to V by I1 because according to Ohm's law, V is equal to Ri. Shift I to the left hand side. R is equal to V by I. R1 is equal to V divided by I1. Substitute the values. V 220 volt. The value of I1 is 3.82 ampere. Substitute the values. We'll get 220 divided by 3.82, it is equal to 57.60 ohm. 57.60 ohm. Consider the second case. When heating is at the minimum rate, that is I2 is equal to P2 divided by V. I2 is equal to P2 divided by V. Substitute the values. I2 is equal to 360 divided by 220 volt. That is equal to 1.64 ampere. The resistance, we have to find the resistance in the second case. The resistance of the electric iron is R2 is equal to V by I2. Substitute the values. 220 divided by 1.64. 1.64. Answer is 134.15 ohm. 134.15 ohm. Now consider the second question. Compare the power used in the 2 ohm resistor in each of the following circuits. First one, a 6 volt battery in series with 1 ohm and 2 ohm resistor. And the second one, a 4 volt battery in parallel with 12 ohm and 2 ohm resistors. Consider the first case, a 6 volt battery is series, connected in series with 1 ohm and 2 ohm resistors. We have to compare the power used in the 2 ohm resistor in each of the following circuits. Okay. Given R1 is equal to 1 ohm, R2 is equal to 2 ohm. They are connected in series. Therefore, their equivalent resistance is Rs is equal to R1 plus R2. 1 plus 2, that is equal to 3 ohm. Equivalent resistance is 3 ohm. Therefore, current I is equal to V divided by R. Current I is equal to V divided by R. V is 6 volt. 6 divided by R. R is 3 ohm. 3, right? 3 here. 3 2s are 6. Answer is 2 ampere. We have to calculate the power here. Power in 2 ohm resistor. Power in 2 ohm resistor. That is equal to I square into R. I square into R. Substitute the value. I is equal to 2 ampere. Write 2 here. 2 square into R. R is 2 here. Write 2 here. 2 square is 4. 4 into 2, 8. 8 watt. Power in 1 ohm resistor. Power in 1 ohm resistor. That is equal to I square into R. That is equal to I. 2 ampere. 2 square into R. Resistance. Resistance is 1 ohm. Write 1 here. 2 square is 4. 4 ones are 4. 4 watt. Now consider the second case. Here 12 ohm and 2 ohm are connected in parallel with the battery 4 volt. A 4 volt battery in parallel with 12 ohm and 2 ohm resistors. Given R1 is equal to 2 ohm. R1 is equal to 2 ohm. R2 is equal to 12 ohm. Voltage across 2 ohm is 4 volt. Power into ohm is V square divided by R. V square divided by R, that is equal to 4 square divided by R. 2. R is 2 here. 4 square divided by 2, that is equal to 4 square is 16 divided by 2, that is equal to 8 watt. Power in 12 ohm resistor. Power in 12 ohm resistor. V square divided by R, that is equal to V square. V P is equal to 4. 4 square. 4 square divided by 12. That is equal to 16 divided by 12. Answer is 1.33 watt. Now consider the third problem. A hot plate of an electric oven connected to a 220 volt line has two resistance coils A and B, each of 24 ohm resistance, which may be used separately, in series or in parallel. What are the currents in the three cases? Given V is equal to 220 volt. RA, resistance of the coil A, is 24 ohm. RB, resistance of the coil B, is 24 ohm. Consider the first case. When used separately, current drawn by each will be the same. When used separately, current drawn by each will be the same. We have to find the current here. I is equal to V divided by R. Substitute the values here. That is equal to V is equal to 220 volt divided by R. R is 24 ohm. That is equal to 9.16 ampere. Consider the second case. When connected in series, the total resistance. We have to find the total resistance here. Okay, RS is equal to RA plus RB. RA, how much? 24 ohm. RB also 24 ohm. 24 plus 24, that is equal to 46 ohm. Therefore, I is equal to V by RS, that is equal to 220 divided by 48, that is equal to 4.58 ampere. 4.58 ampere. Consider the third case. When connected in parallel, 1 by Rp is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. Substitute the values. 1 by R1 means 1 by RA plus 1 by RB. That is equal to 1 by 24 plus 1 by 24. That is equal to 1 plus 1, 2. 24 is the common denominator. 2 1s are 2, 2 12s are 24. 1 by 12. 1 by Rp is equal to 1 by 12. Therefore, Rp is equal to 12 ohm. Rp is equal to 12 ohm. We have to find the current. Okay. I is equal to 220 divided by 12. V by R. I is equal to V by R. Rp. V by Rp. That is equal to 220 divided by 12. That is equal to 18.3 ohm. 18.3 ohm. Dear children, with this we wind up the electricity chapter. Thank you.